Harir Nama, Harir Namaiva Kevalam, Kalo Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirannatha. In this particular age of Kali, Krishna descended as his holy name. There is no difference between him and his holy name. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur described how this holy name actually has everything and how this holy name will become manifest as Krishna himself. He's describing that Kornorandhra patho dia Hridi majhe probeshya Borishoy Shudha Anupam. Entering through the passage of my ears, coming into the region of my heart, it continues and to shower an unique nectar. Then this holy name rises from the depth of my heart to the tip of my tongue. And while rising, it breaks my voice, and coming onto the tip of the tongue, it begins to dance in the form of the sound. And then he describes what this holy name does to one who chants offenselessly. He experiences all kinds of physical deformity in a way, bikar. Like as I mentioned, it cracks the voice, it makes the legs to wobble, the body begins to tremble, tears flows incessantly from the eyes. And finally, it makes me faint. And then Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, see what kind of behavior of this holy name. I took shelter of this holy name and see what it has done to me. And then he describes that this holy name is the bud of the Krishna Prem. Premer Kolika Naam Adbhuto Rashiro Dham. This holy name is the bud of Krishna Prem, and it is the reservoir of unique mellows of Krishna Prem. And this bud, opening a little bit, reveals Krishna's form and Krishna's qualities. Ishat bikoshi puno dakhay nijo rupo guno. Just opening a little, this bud reveals Krishna's roop or form and gun, his qualities. And then Purno bikoshito hoiya broje more jai loiya. And opening fully, it takes me to Vrindavan. This holy name will take us to Vrindavan. Purno bikoshito hoiya broje more jai loiya dekhay more sharupo bilash, and shows me his transcendental pastimes there. So in this way, this is actually the last poetry of the chapter of Sharanagati. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing what the holy name is. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very mercifully came to give it to us, which was otherwise rare even for Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva. But he is without considering the qualification and eligibility. He's distributing this holy name. And by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we got this holy name. Everything is there in this holy name. So all we have to do is chant offenselessly with all sincerity. And then the holy name will do everything. The holy name will take us. Holy name is non-different from Krishna. Therefore, holy name is described as Nama Prabhu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the form of this holy name.